The Des Moines City Council approved a new pilot program that will be putting more money in the pockets of some city residents. Local 5's Carson J.S. Reichart tells us who's eligible and how much they could be getting.
What would you do if you know you were getting an extra $500 a month, no strings attached? It probably sounds too good to be true, but thanks to a program that's coming to the Des Moines Metro, some residents will find a bit more in their wallets pretty soon. The program is headed by the Mid-Iowa Health Foundation. At their meeting last night, the Des Moines City Council approved $500,000 in funding for the project using money coming from the American Rescue Plan. Researchers will be examining how the participants actually spend the money.
So are people using their additional income primarily for food or towards their housing, towards their child care expenses? So all kinds of measures to understand how the impacts of where the needs are.
So who's eligible for payments? 110 participants will be selected from around the Des Moines Metro. The recipients will be lower income, and they'll all have at least one dependent in their household. Some might be critical of simply giving out money with no other requirements, but Dr. Johnson says it could actually be more effective that way.
Having this ability to spend the money where the need is actually a more effective strategy to help making low-income residents or supporting low-income residents and meeting their essential needs.
Des Moines isn't the first city to attempt something like this. More than 40 cities across the country are trying it out. Back in 2019, a similar program out of Stockton, California, gave 125 residents monthly payments of $500. More of the people who received payments were actually working full-time after 1 year of the program compared to when it started.
That's huge, and the reasons why, right? The fact that people had the ability to take time off work to go to an interview for a better job. Those are things that people don't necessarily consider.
Now, the program should begin recruiting people from Polk, Dallas, and Warren counties to join the pilot in November. The first payments for them are planned to go out in February and will be distributed monthly for 2 years.